So this one, we put it as Peter lah, down here. Then this is 1/3. That means there's another 2/3 down here. Do you agree? Roughly about 2/3. But Jamal drove 512, you know. Jamal drove 512. That means Jamal drove more than 1/3. Okay. So this one is 1/3. Can we change it to 12 now? 1/3 is how many over 12?
1/3, so it's 4.
4 over 12. And then this Jamal, so your balance is how many? You got 4 total 12 units, 4 units used. How much is your balance from here to here?
I got 8.
8, huh? 8. Good. So now Jamal drove 512 down there. And the balance, do you agree, is 312? You agree?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now all these things now, we imagine is 3 units, 5 units, and 4 units. Is that okay with you? You know what I mean? 3 over 12, I make it 3 units. 5 over 12, make 5 units. 4 over 12, I take it as 4 units. Is it okay with you? You understand that?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's go through what I need to refresh again what have we done now.
Okay, so now down here at first, there's 3 parts. Correct, okay. And then this is like 1/3. Correct now? Peter drove. This one is 512. So it changes to 12, you times 4, you get 4 out of 12. Correct, huh? Yeah. So this is 4 out of 12. This is 5 out of 12. This is 3 out of 12. Now I just forget the 12. I say this is 4 units. This is 5 units.
Yeah, because if it's out of 12, that means you just can change it to units, right?
Yeah, and then that means the whole thing is 12 units.
Okay, so 5 units equals to 20 minutes. I mean, 5 units. Yes. And constant speed of 60 kilometers per hour.
So how far did he drive? Can you find out the distance driven by Jamal? Then
so now we know if you want to find distance, you need to on the bottom. Speed. If you want this speed times time.
Good. Okay, so you take speed times time. What do you get?
Speed is 60. Time is 20.
No, time cannot be 20. You look.
It needs to be divided by 60. I mean,
yeah, correct.
Divided by 60. 20 divided by 60 is what?
You get
0.3.
Or 1/3. You see, you look at it.
1/3. So 60 times 1/3 equals to 20.
Good. So this part down here is 20 km. Now you can do already.
So 5 units equals to 20 km.
So how far did Jamal drive? You already answered already.
Okay. You got how many minutes did Peter drive? Yeah.
But how far did he drive? Five units, 20 km. 5 units, 20 km. 1 unit, how many km?
Okay.
Then 4 units, how many km? You can find out.
20 divided by 5 equals to 4.
4. Then
4 km. 4 times 4 equals to 8, 12, 16.
16 km. So this now here is 16 km. You
so
got the distance.
He drove 16 km and a speed of 64 kilometers per hour. So we have distance and we have time. And now we have distance speed. And speed. We want time, right? So 16 divided by 64.
Good. So what's your answer?
$16 divided by 64, 0.25.
Oh, 1/4. So 1/4 of an hour is how much? Or 0.25 an hour?
60 divided by 4 equals to 15. That's 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's it. How is it?
Yeah, it's good. I can get it up.
You can get it. So this thing, if you think 0.25, that's not correct. So you can just times by 60. Okay, or 1/4 times 60, up to you, whichever is easier for you. Okay, How is it? Okay.
Just yeah.
All right, we try now this one.
When are you gonna be in the documentary will come out when? Like
The documentary, I do not know when it will come up, but we're going to shoot on the 13th of June.
13th of June. So how long is it gonna be?
13th of June until no, we're going to shoot on the 15th of June. Do you want to be part of it?
It is.
You want
sure.
you want to
if
be
possible.
really?
Yeah. Because I'm bored at home. And plus it's during the holidays.
Are you sure you really want?
You gotta talk to the big boss first.
But you must be interviewed and not be shy to talk in the camera, no?
Yeah,
Will
I
you
don't
be-
care. I can. I'm a very
Yeah.
talkative guy.
And you can be free from the 15th of June to 23rd of June, or
Yeah,
15
okay.
to slightly
Okay.
earlier. That means 15 to, you sure?
Yeah, sure.
15 of June, I think 20th
Wait,
or
are they looking
21st.
for one more guy?
No, I mean, if you want, I can tell the person, but
Okay.
let me ask him first. You are
Yeah.
12 years old to see whether he agree. But if confirmed, that means you'll be staying with another 2 teenagers who is actually in the university.
Okay, it's fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, fine.
You sure?
Yeah, just
Okay.
the big boss in my house must be fine with it also.
So I will have to ask your mom.
Mm.
But let me ask the person in charge first. If you say yes, then I'll ask your mom.
Yeah, if cannot, but still, if I cannot go, I'm thinking that you need to cancel the tuition or cancel make it.
We can reschedule, make it earlier lah.
Okay,
And then after that. Okay, come we try this one.
Brenda took 4 minutes to walk from her home to the beach at a speed of 80 meters per minute. So 8 times 4 if you want to find the distance.
Good.
I did just got the answer for A.
Well done. What's the average speed? Formula for average speed is total distance divided by total time.
Okay. Distance is always the same. 80 times 4 is what?
8 times 4, you already said 320.
320. So it is the speed.
Yes,
I mean, that's the distance.
that's the distance.
320, so times 2 lah. Total distance.
640.
640, okay. 80 times 2 is...
And no, you want to find what? Total average speed, total distance, divide by total time.
So
Total
640 divided by 9.
9, good. So your answer is?
Yeah, okay.
Hey, no. Sorry, we got to read carefully. I didn't read it carefully. Watch.
For the return trip.
Yeah.
So 320, right?
Yeah, divide by.
320 divided by 5.
And your answer is?
64.
64 km per meters per minute.
Yeah.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We do one last one before we go to the prelim papers. And then if we have time, we come back here.
Wait, can I can I just take something quick?
Sure.
I got toilet.
Sure.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Harun and Kuna completed a 200-meter race. We know the distance. Right.
Yeah, you know the distance.
Harun ran at a constant speed of 5 meters per second. Kuna ran at a constant speed of 8 meters per second. 8 then 200 divided by 8.
Good. And you get?
Yeah. 25.
25. Well done. So you get 25 seconds. Good. How far was Harun from Kuna? And
No, this one I need your help. This one I need your help.
Okay. Ask yourself, he took 25 seconds, correct? To run 200 meters. How far can Harun run in 25 seconds? We want to find distance, right? So how far can Harun run in 25 seconds? The mind is drifting. Okay, no problem. So something happened, we go down here. You want to find what? D, S, or T? Which one you find?
D.
D. So D equals S times T. Do you have the speed for Harun?
Yes.
How much is it?
Speed times time.
Yeah.
5 meters. 5 times 100.
No,
200.
Times the 25 seconds, because Kuna took 25 seconds, right? You see down here, now this is running down here. Kuna ran the whole 200 meters down here, see, like that. You know what I mean? So he took 25 seconds, but now we want to see where Harun is down here. So we take 5 times 25 is 125. He ran 125 meters. So what is the distance between Harun and Kuna down here? The whole thing is, are you there? Hello?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, you tired now. What is the distance here? That's what they're asking you.
So 125. Yeah. 200 minus 125 lah.
Yeah lah. So answer is 75. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Now we go to
the
next round. Yeah, we go for the papers now. Okay, you try. This one is similar. Oh,
wait,
similar.
can you 5 minutes or not?
What? Sorry? What is it? You want to go toilet? Sure, sure. Okay, so we end 5 minutes later.
Yes.
Okay, I'll mute myself first.
All right, I'm back.
Okay, can we try this one now?
All right. Ouch. Wait, no, we basically done this just now.
No.
It's the same type of question.
Oh, yeah. So they probably took it from the book, and then they just changed
Luckily
it.
I remember.
Yeah, because this one become 5, right? So it's actually the same. Alamak, I forgot which one is it. Sekejap, I should have written. The others I wrote the next question. Hold on, let me just check. I think it's in paper 2. Oh, that's it. That's it. It's only one paper, one thing. Okay. Next one. Okay. Easy, right, son?
It seems easy, but then some people might find it hard. But this is just 15 divided by 850.
Then you have got it wrong. See,
Yeah. See,
you have been tricked.
15 divided by 60 divided 15 divided by 60.
You try. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you because we imagine this is like the test lah. So you see whether.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to get my computer.
Okay.
My hair. Okay. All right. 212.5 km per hour.
Wow. 212.
So,
Have you been in a taxi before?
no.
Okay, what is the speed limit on the highway in Singapore highway?
Around 60.
90. Okay, let's say if normal road is 50. Yeah, the highway is 90 km. Now you say this one goes at 200 plus km per hour. What type of bicycle is that? It's faster than a motorbike. So now your mistake is here. You were careless in here. They say it must be in km. This is in meters. This one must be in hour. This is in minutes. You got to change to hour and change to. Please try. So you already know. Now you got to be careful. We are at the careful stage. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You know what to do?
Yeah, okay. So
What's the
we got
answer?
15 divided by 60, already done that.
Okay, that's 0.25. Okay,
850 divided by 850 divided by 1000.
good. 0.85.
8.5.
No, 0.85.
Oh, 0.85 times
Divide. Distance divide by time.
divide by what's it called?
DST. Are you
Oh,
okay?
15 divided 15 divided by 60.
No. Yeah. You already got what? 0.25, right? Just now.
Yeah.
And distance divide by
Are you
speed.
okay? What happened?
I'm falling ill. Come.
What happened?
A lot of people are sick in the school.
Oh,
Mr. Musa just recovered
from what?
from flu, I think.
Oh.
So I'm sitting beside him. Okay, come.
So 0.25 times, distance,
Divide by time.
the time was 0.85, right?
No, 0.585 is the distance.
Yeah, lah. This, oh, it's the other way around, right? Answer is 3.4 km per hour.
Okay, so be careful. You can score at this, but you can also make careless mistakes. Be careful. Okay, let us see. The next question now we can see over here is number 10 in paper 2. So normally 2 questions appears from speed. One in paper 1, one in paper 2.
Okay.
But yeah, sometimes it's just one only. So down here, hold on, let me see. Okay. This one you need to draw like town A, town B, all that stuff like on your paper.
Oh yeah, this question I also need your help. Can you help me? Can you go through?
Draw. Okay, so you draw a line. You put A down here, and then B down here. So Peter set off from A. So Peter starts from here. Then he starts at 7 a.m. So I put in all the details, Can you see that? 7 a.m. At a constant speed of 70 km per hour. So he's 70 km per hour. Okay. You see, I'm writing all these details now. John also set up from A to B. So John is here. But he set off 1.5 hours later, 8:30 a.m. And his speed is 90 km per hour. It's much faster, 20 km faster. Now, the question is asking, what time did they meet up with each other? So the first thing you need to do, can you find, hold on, just let me write this. Okay. At what time did they meet? Can you find out when John started at 8:30 a.m., how many km had been traveled by Peter? Can you find it out? Hello.
Oh.
Are you okay now?
Yeah.
Can you find out at 8:30 when John set off, how far had Peter traveled? Because Peter started traveling at 7 a.m.
Okay. Peter set off from town A towards town B at 7 a.m. at a constant speed of 70 kilometers per hour. John set off from town A towards town B at 8:30 p.m. at a constant speed of 90 kilometers per hour. I have no. Okay, this one I really need help.
Yeah. So now down here, Peter starts at 7 a.m. John starts at 8:30. So when John starts at 8:30, Peter had already left town A. So how far did John travel? By the time it's 8:30, how far was John in his travel?
That has already been 1 hour 30 minutes.
Good. So in 1 hour 30 minutes, and he's traveling at 70 km per hour, how far did he travel?
70 times 2 first. 140. 70 divided by 2 is what? 35. So 175.
Why don't we take 70 times 1.5? 1.5, 1.5 hours. You try. Use a calculator, 70.145.
105.
105, right?
Yeah.
Good. So now, Peter is 105 km now, down here. Let's say down here. Lah. He traveled this far. Eh? Yeah, well, let me just get my pen. Down here. He traveled this far already. So that means this 105, who needs to catch up? John, right? How much faster is John per hour? Every hour, John will be able to catch up how many?
What?
How much faster is John's speed per hour? How much faster is John's speed?
By like 20.
Good. So every hour he can catch up by 20 km. So you take 105, divide by 20 to find out the number of hours it takes to catch up with Mr. Peter. So 105.
5.25 hours.
Sorry?
5.25 hours.
So 5.25 hours lah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now at what time was it?
Oh, 25 is how many minutes?
15 minutes.
15. So 5 hours and 15 minutes.
But what time?
8 plus 5. 8 plus 5.
8 plus 5, 13.
13. That is 1:15. I mean 1:45.
Yeah, 1:45. So that's your answer?
Yeah.
How are you okay?
Okay.
You seem distracted. What happened? You sakit
No.
perut? Sakit perut. Then?
A bit.
A bit. You cannot. Can make it now?
Okay.
No, we have another 20, 25 minutes or so. Let us see now. There's no more in this paper. So let us go to the next paper. This one now.
Wait, can you take a break for a bit?
Okay, what happened? You're
having headache. Headache.
Headache. I tell you what. Now we have how many? Headache.
A bit of headache.
Okay, I tell you, we go for another 20 minutes. This is a 12, 12. I think how much I owe you? 12. Let's say 12:35. Okay, we can go for another 20 minutes or so. 20 minutes. Next maybe
next
on
lesson?
Monday. Next lesson. I will try to see you on Wednesday. Wednesday you finish early, right? In school.
Yeah, as per normal.
As per normal means you are back at home by 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, we target 5. We try to target 5 o'clock Wednesday for 20 minutes.
Wait, so now we leave?
Now we leave. Now you're having headache. How?
No, I'm fine. Just need to wait for 5 minutes, then I'm fine because I did that just now.
Yeah, but okay. So I come back in 5 minutes then.
Okay, see.
You come back 5 minutes, so
All right. Let's wait 5 minutes.
No, whether 5 minutes or not that. A few minutes. Okay. Are you feeling better?
Can we take it in another 1 more minute?
If you cannot,
1 more minute.
1 more minute. Okay.
I start to feel better. Are you looking out the window?
Yeah. What? Sorry.
You're looking out the balcony.
Balcony. While waiting for you, I'm just looking down and looking out.
Is it nice there?
It's hot now. I'm outside, but I'm feeling a little bit hot.
Singapore is very hot.
Yeah, I'm told. Down here, it reaches maybe even 40 degrees now, hotter than Singapore. But it's okay. So long as, we have aircon like so. So how are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, we try. Melvin and Ramesh took part in a race. Melvin ran at 5 meters per second and took 15 seconds. Ramesh ran at 3 meters per second. What was the time taken by Ramesh? How's it?
Yep, let's go.
Your mind okay lah?
Yep, I'm focused.
No focus, okay.
Alright, let's see what we're working with today. Alright, Melvin and Ramesh took part in a race. Melvin ran at 5 meters per second and took 15 seconds, while Ramesh ran at 3 meters per second. Okay, so now we want to find how many.
Wanna find what's the time taken by
Ramesh, but then we need the
Ramesh.
distance first.
Yes,
But
yes.
5 times 15.
5 times 50. Yes, okay, good.
75.
Well done.
So now 75, 3 divided by 75.
75 divided by 3.
0.04 seconds.
Hey, no, terbalik lah.
Hey,
75
divided by
3.
3. So 35.
25. Good. Okay, we go to question 9 now. And this is question 9. I will turn on the side now. Okay. Now they even draw it for you. You try now. Crack the head.
Okay, crack my head like an egg.
Not like egg lah. Egg, then your things will come out from your skull. And other things can go inside the skull.
Okay, so Wednesday we don't have, but then next Sunday, how long will the session be?
Next Sunday, 1 hour lah. Or you want? I
we
think
need to add. We just add the.
You do on Wednesday. You do on Wednesday.
No.
Okay, so next Sunday you can. If today you cannot. No, okay. You want to stop now, is it?
No, 1:30 we said.
1:30 stop. So we can go for another what? 5, 10
7
minutes more.
7 minutes.
Okay.
Can we go for another 7 minutes until my battery finish?
Okay. All right. Then the next time round we go for 10 minutes extra lah.
Okay, 1 hour and 10 minutes. I feel like you're also tired.
No, I'm not tired. I'm waiting for you.
It is more time for you to rest or something. Win-win. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Khaled finished at an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Town P towards Town P. A coach left village B and traveled an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour towards Town Q. Village A and village B are 10 kilometers apart. Yeah.
You got to draw this.
And how do you do that?
So now, okay, there we go. They say a car left village A and going to town Q. So it travels like that. After 1 hour, let's say it travels this much. Okay, we imagine. And then, go this way. Then the other one now is leaving village B for town Q. So now going down there, and then you reach like that. Example lah. Okay. So can you see this part and this part? This is 10 km because they tell you that the village A and B is 10 km. This is 10 km. So in 1 hour, this one can travel 50 km. So the drawing is not so accurate. We do better drawing. Let's say now like that. Example lah. So down here now will be total be 70. Why? Because can travel 70 km in 1 hour. So they want to know in 1 hour how far. So it will be 70 km. 10 plus 60. Because 10 plus 60 is 70. This must be 10.
Okay.
So now the other side is can travel 50 km. So from here, travels, let's say down here up to here. 50. So down here now, again, this is 10. And the balance is 40. So if you want to find how far each car from each other, you can see this, you see? Down here is where the car will be, and this is where the coach will be. So now let's add now, this is 60 plus 10 plus 40. 60 plus 10 plus 40, right? So 60 plus 10, 70 plus 40, 110, number 2. Aduh, hitam di tanah. I tell you what, let me send you this question. We stop now.
What's the homework? What's the homework?
Sorry, what's the homework? I'm going to give you this homework.
Okay.
Okay, some of this question. Because your mind already tired. Okay, so I'll give you this question, about 3 questions or so. Then I'll see you next Sunday. Is it okay?
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Bye.